I have onion and ginger, so I didn't clean them yet because it keeps on raining. That's my orange, no, and that's a snake plant. You can use that for curing wounds. It's very effective. That's why I always have that. It's very effective for curing wounds. Even for animals, it's very effective. And they said that it can also be a first aid for when dog or dog bite, cat bite, snake bite, like that. And I have pineapple there. So that's it. So this one is also having flowers. So soon I will have fruits again. So thanks guys for watching. Bye bye. Hey guys, I'm at the back. This is my sayote plant. So it's almost ready for having a sayote.